Jai Srimanarayana. 7th sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Pravrittincha Nivrittincha Janana Vidurasuraha न शौचं नापि चाचारो न सत्यं तेषु विद्यते। ॐ Follow our Vedic Dharma, which makes you prosperous and also which helps you for your final release, and inculcate conduct according to our Vedic scriptures. Maintain internal and external cleanliness. Speak truth in the interest of well-being of all the people. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall follow our Vedic Dharma, which makes me prosperous, which helps me for my final release. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall maintain cleanliness internally and externally. I shall inculcate my conduct according to our Vedic scriptures. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall speak truth in the interest of well-being of the people. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadravasanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam Pravrajantamanupeta Krutyam Dvaipayano Virahakatara Ajuhava Putreti Tanmayataya Taravo Bhineduhu Tam Sarvabhuta Hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Om Haraye Namaha. శ్రీమద్భాగవతము దశమస్కంధము 10th స్కంధం 315th డే. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, all the cows and Gopalas, Gopikas, all of them were surrounded by huge fire. At that time, all of them, while getting shaken, while getting so much fear, they all surrendered to Sri Krishna Paramatma and praying like this, "O Krishna, please save us. Na shaknumaha tvat charanam santyaktum akutah bhayam." O Krishna, your divine feet is the one which can remove all kind of fears. We will never leave your divine feet. O Krishna, please protect us. Like that, when all of them prayed Sri Krishna Paramatma, Jagadishvaraha Ananta Shakti Dhruk, the one who is the master of this entire universe, the one who has unlimited, infinite power, such Sri Krishna Paramatma could not see the fear, the pain of his own devotees, and immediately Agnim Apibat Tivram, he drank that huge Davagni, huge fire. Krishna swallowed all of that fire. After that, along with all of them, Krishna entered into Vrindavanam. Then summer started. Though it is summer, Vasantaiva Lakshitaha, it is so pleasant there because Sakshat Yatraste Bhagavan Sakshat Ramena Sahakesavaha, because Sakshat Devadeva Sri Krishna Paramatma along with Balarama is living over there. That is why entire Vrindavanam looking so pleasant. No water gone down in the ponds and in the rivers. No flowers gone pale. And though it is hot sun, no one is getting that kind of hot sun effect. And the grass is still green. All the birds, animals, cows, everyone is feeling and behaving very happily. All the peacocks singing. Gopakulandarunaduchu deepimpaga Rama Vasudevula Venakan Paibadi. All the Gopalas with so much of happiness while following Balarama Krishna, while walking just behind Balarama Krishna, while praising Balarama Krishna, they are all playing with Balarama Krishna and enjoying. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 16th chapter 7th sloka. Pravrittincha nivrittincha janana vidurasuraha na saucham napi chacharaha न सत्यं तेषु विद्यते प्रवृत्तिञ्च निवृत्तिञ्च जना न विदुरासुराः न शौचं नापि चाचारः न सत्यं तेषु विद्यते। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।